What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the cabin air filter in a 2022 Nissan Altima. Like I said, it's a 22 Altima in the video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to actually remove the glove box. And the first thing we need to do is remove this panel on the side right here. The best way to do that is to grab a trim tool, and we can start at the edge. If you don't have one of these available, you can use a flathead screwdriver. You're just gonna wanna be careful as we're prying against plastic. So once you get it started, you can probably just get your hand in there and pull that panel off like that. Now if we open the glove box, there's 5 screws that we need to remove, 5 Phillips head screws. The first 3 are here, here, and here. And the other 2 are gonna be located in the bottom, here, and right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those 5 screws, and then I'll check back in the next shot. So I got those 5 Phillips head screws removed that we looked at in the previous shot, and now this glove box is ready to pull out. So if we open it, and you can kind of get your hand over here, and you're just gonna pull towards yourself. And you don't wanna pull too hard, because although this one doesn't have one installed, yours may have a light for the glove box attached right here that you'll need to unhook. This is a 2022, and there's only a few thousand miles on it, so I'm assuming that this one just came from the factory without a glove box light, but typically you do see that on there. So if yours is on there, that'll just pop off. And then you can set the glove box to the side. And now we'll take a closer look under here. So if we take a look behind where the glove box used to be, we see this white plastic piece. This is the access door to the cabin filter. And if you get a hold of the right-hand side, there's this little tab right here. And you just pull that towards yourself and it'll come off of there. And now we can see our actual filter right here. And this cabin filter doesn't need to be replaced yet. As I said, there's only about a few thousand miles on this car. But when you do put your new one in, make sure you're paying attention to the airflow. You want your airflow going down towards the floor of the vehicle. So once you have your new filter in there, you reverse everything we just did to close it up. Put the access door back on, slide the glove box back in, reinstall those 5 Phillips head screws, and then throw your panel on the side back on. And that's it. Pretty simple, really. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.